Okay, a lot of email has sent to us regarding how to put on a strength rep after Ichai brought it in from the US. So what is going to happen is that today we're going to have a short demo on how you're going to put on a strength rep. This is my own personal strength rep, Wonder Woman, and you can see as a strength rep. Okay, there's an end which there's lace. So what's going to happen is that we're going to place it just slightly above our wrist. Okay, from here, one hand you're going to hold it, and you're going to twist it around. The lacing part, okay, the lace part which will always face towards your finger. So from here, you're just going to go around your wrist. So once, okay, you go all the way to the end already. Okay, there's right at the end there's a loose strap. Okay, so what's going to happen? You're going to go around it. From here, you're going to do a tuck in. Tuck in the loose end over here. Okay, and make a loop around it, and then you just rotate. Okay, tuck in the rest of the extra loose end so that you will not get into a way during the workout. After it's tightened, okay, you don't have to really go very tight, because one good thing about this strength rep is that you can adjust accordingly compared to the old conventional the type of the one with the Velcro. So what is this? Is that you just need to rotate towards the angle, okay, which is if this angle is facing up, you just need to rotate towards it, and then you will strengthen the wrist. Okay, from here you will strengthen the rep, and from here is that in our gym we use a lot of strength rep for power clean, snatch, handstand push-up. One way or another is just that it's going to be a lot better for your mobility, for your wrist joint movement, from the clean, and hope this video works out perfect for you. Enjoy.